Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss a very important issue that whether a file can be transferred from one assessing officer to another assessing officer which come under the same principal commissioner of income tax without order under section 127. This issue has come up with the Kolkata IT80D bench in the case of Ganges Tie-Up Private Limited versus Income Tax Officer. And this case is reported in 127 ITR short notes 41 and the date of the judgment is 14th October 2025. The present case relates to the assessment year 12-13. In the present case, the assessee has filed its income tax return with a loss with Ward 35-4. The notice was issued to the assessee to examine the share capital issued by the assessee with premium and the assessment proceedings were triggered. The first notice was issued under section 143 subsection 2 by Ward 35-4. After that, the file was transferred from 35-4 to Ward 6-2 and the notice under section 142 subsection 1 was issued by Ward 6-2. And after that, the file was once again transferred to Ward 9-2 from Ward 6-2. And again, notice under section 142 subsection 1 was issued by Ward 9-2. The queries were made with the assessee for the genuineness of the share capital. The assessee replied, but the assessing officer was not convinced with the explanation of the assessee and made the addition for the share capital and securities premium under section 68. When the appeal was before the learned CIT appeal, the CIT appeal dismissed the appeal of the assessee on the ground that during the assessment proceedings, the assessee was not able to produce the director of the company against the notice under section 131. So, the appeal was dismissed by the learned CIT appeal. When the order was passed by the CIT appeal, the assessee did not receive this order. And when the demand was pressed by the assessing officer, the assessee came to know that the CIT appeal has disposed of the appeal of the assessee. And after knowing that the CIT appeal has disposed of the appeal of the assessee filed the appeal before the tribunal with a delay of 658 days. The revenue opposed the delay, but the tribunal said that in the present case, there is sufficient cause of delay which was plausible and bona fide because the assessee didn't get the order and the assessee came to know about the order only when the demand was pressed by the assessing officer. So, the condonation was allowed of 658 days on the basis that the assessee came to know of the CIT appeal order only when the AO pressed the demand on the assessee. The assessee first time before the tribunal raised a ground that the assessment order is bad in law which is passed by Ward 9-2 because it is without jurisdiction since there is no transfer order under section 127 subsection 3 and the Ward 9-2 officer has not issued the notice to the assessee under section 143 subsection 2. Meaning thereby that either the Ward 9-2 officer has issued the notice under section 143 subsection 2 within time limits or there should have been the order under section 127 when the file was transferred from Ward 35-4 to Ward 6-2 and then another order under section 127 when the file is transferred from Ward 6-2 to 9-2. When the tribunal heard the matter, the tribunal allowed the additional ground of the assessee by relying on the two Supreme Court judgments, one Jute Corporation of India Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax which is in 1991 judgment and which is reported in 187 ITR at page number 688 and the another judgment which is NTPC Limited versus Commissioner of Income Tax which is 1998 judgment and which is reported in 229 ITR page number 383. Once this additional ground was admitted, the tribunal was of the considered view that in the present case, it is very apparent that there is no order under section 127 for the transfer of the file from ward 35-4 to 6-2 and from 6-2 to ward 9-2. And it is also not a disputed fact that no notice under section 143 subsection 2 has been issued by ward 9-2 within the time limits prescribed. So the assessment is bad in law, and the whole assessment proceedings were quashed on the ground that there is no administrative order under section 127 for the transfer of file from one officer to another officer. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Ganges Tie-Up Private Limited versus Income Tax Officer, and this case is reported in 127 ITR short notes 41, and the date of the judgment is 14th October 2025. Thank you, friends.